perfect blend of beef and pork make the most tender meatballs, finished with Parmesan cheese. Italian wedding soup, so delicious, guaranteed to make the biggest commitment phobe out there say, I do.
Let's make it yummier.
We're gonna get started making those cute, delicious little tender meatballs. I got 2 bowls, one for the ground beef, ground pork, second one for our mixture. I got Parmesan cheese. Finally, chopped fresh parsley, fresh or dried oregano, salt and pepper, a whisked egg. When all the ingredients are married together, see what I did there? We're gonna take a little piece, roll them into tiny, delicious, tender meatballs. Look at these beautiful bite-sized meatballs. Now we're gonna put a pan on the stove, turn the heat to medium, and cook these for about 4 minutes. Put in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, add chopped carrots, onions, and celery. Saute the veggies for about 6 minutes. Then we're gonna add in minced garlic, saute for 1 more minute. Gonna pour in about 4 cups of chicken broth. Season the soup with some salt and pepper, bring it to a boil, then add in our pasta and our meatballs, then reduce the heat to light boil, cover and cook. Add in some spinach, and you're ready to serve.